In today's video, I will guide you on how to force any games or any apps on your Windows computer to use graphics cards so that your computer will perform very well when you are using your system to play game or use any particular apps on your device. This can be very simple and easy, so do watch to the end. Right click on this start button, then select settings from the option that comes here. So go ahead and click on the system button here. Once you click on the system, click on display button here. Now under display button, scroll down to the base under related settings, advanced display and graphics. Click on graphics. Once you click on graphics, it brings to this interface, defaults, custom option for apps. So under custom options for apps, then scroll down here, you see all the apps on your device. You can click this place and search through that. Then you can use desktop to search. So for example, let's say I want VLC to use graphic cards on my device for best performance. So click on the link to open this whatever apps or games you have here. Go ahead and click on options. Once you click on options, it brings to this interface. You have several options here. Let me decide power saving, that is Intel, then high performance. So use high performance. Once you use high performance, this option comes up. The GPU reference may cause undesired behaviors for this app. Just click on high performance, then click on save button. Once you click on save button, so each time you use this app on your device, it's going to use the graphic card directly installed on your device, thereby making the games or app run smoothly on your device. So that's all guys on how to force any games or apps to use graphic cards on your Windows computer, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have enjoyed what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and see you soon guys in our next video.